for this is synchronous counter, and the question is find mod value of this counter. Okay, so let us do this. As it is synchronous, how do you know? We know it seeing the clock. See, the same clock is connected with the two flip-flop. Okay, let us first write this. Okay, this is given. Here clock is given. In synchronous counter, remember that we don't change the output. We don't means it is not going to change the output if we change the type of clock. This type of clock means what? It flip-flop will be activated at negative edge. Okay, so first of all discuss how JK flip-flop work. Okay, if clock is not given, then what will happen? Whatever you give the value of JK, okay, 0 0 0 1, we always give hold condition. That is what was the output before, here again also the same output after giving clock. And if we give clock, then what will happen? If J is what? If J is 0 and K is 0, then the condition will be hold. If J is clock is 1 in all the case, if J is 0 and K is 1, then it will be reset condition. Reset means what? 0. Okay, if J is 1 and K is 0, then what will be? It will be set condition. That means output will be 1. And if both are 1, then what will happen? It will be complemented output. Okay, so now discuss this synchronous counter. So let me remove this here. Okay, let me remove it here. Okay, now we're going to sort the circuit. First of all, we have seen in the synchronous counter also, asynchronous counter also, that the initial condition will be given, or it will let it as your wish. So if we give 0th clock pulse, then let's see 0 0, and this is initial condition. Okay, so here first of all we have to make this J0 relation. J0 is connected to Q1 bar. See, so J0 equals to Q1 bar, and K0 equals to always 1. Okay, let me smaller this one. K0 is always 1, and I think it is understandable, right? And J0 is Q1 bar for this fast flip-flop. Okay, now for the second one, J1 is connected to Q0. J1 equals to Q0, and K1 is always 1. Now we given initial condition. Okay, so J0 will be what? J0 will be Q1 bar, that means 1, and K0 will be always 1. This for the first flip flop. And J1 is what? J1 is Q0. Q0 means here 0 and Q1 is 1. So this will get. So after giving first clock pulse, what will happen? Let us see. Remember one thing, in synchronous counter we don't assign like what is LSB if it not given, like it as we discussed in the asynchronous counter, that in which clock pass, in which flip flop clock is connected, it will be LSB. In this case it is not like that. We just assume anything, any flip flop to be LSB or LSB. Let us we first assume that Q1 is LSB here. Okay, so see, clock is given. Let us change the color. Okay, clock is given. When we'll get this one, this thing, then the flip flop will be activated, and what we'll get in the input, K0 is 1 and J0 is what? 1. We get this 1 1. So we have discussed in the JK flip flop that if we'll get 1 1, then the output will be complemented. So in before Q0 was 0, now it will be what? It will be 1. Okay, now see, in the second flip flop, J1 is Q0. Now Q0 is J1 is 0. It is in that 0 and 1, 0 1 1. This is what? See, 0 and 1 means reset condition. That means output will be get 0. Okay, after second clock pulse, what will happen after second clock pulse? First let us find the input. J0 is Q1 bar, that means this 1, as it is 0 here. K0 is 1, this K. Okay, now Q0 is 1 and 1. So see, same clock pulse, that is this one will come, then the flip flop will be activated, and what we'll get in the 1 1, J is 1, K is 1, that is, this is complemented case, right? 1 will be 0, and see, same clock pass will be in the flip flop, so second flip flop, so it is 1 1 and it is also be 0 1. So it will be, now J0 will be 0 as Q1 bar is, Q1 is 1, so Q 0, and it is 1 always, and similarly it will be 0 and 1. In the third clock pulse, what will happen? After third clock pulse, what will happen? This clock pulse came, and when it came, then this last flip flop will be activated. Same time it will be activated, but we cannot calculate at the same time, no? So see, 0 and 1, J is 0, K is 1, that means it is reset condition. Okay, reset condition means output will be, this is 0 0, so output will be what? Output will be 0. And in the second clock pulse, 0 1, that means J equals to 0 is 1. So what will happen in the output? Set condition, sorry, reset condition, so output will be 0. Okay, now see, mod we have to find. In the asynchronous counter also we have discussed how to find mod from the table. See, this is repeated, so we will not count the repeated state. So what will be the mod? 1, 2 and 3, these 3. So mod value is 3. This is the answer.